Why are American food ingredients so different compared to other countries? Let's break it down. First up, additives. Many American foods are packed with preservatives and artificial flavors that are banned or restricted elsewhere. Why? Different food safety regulations. Take high fructose corn syrup. Super common in the US, but Europe? Not so much. They prefer natural sugars like beet or cane sugar. And labeling? Some countries have super strict laws, giving you a full rundown of what's inside. US labels? Sometimes not so detailed. Regional preferences also play a big role. In America, you'll find more corn and soy in foods. Other countries, they have their own local favorites. So next time you're munching away, think about the journey your food has taken. Food differences show us just how diverse and rich global cuisine really is. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tasty tidbit interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more.